Oh yes, and it does fit snugly. So it will fit actually on a 997. Hi, welcome back to CarsAddiction.com. I'm Ryan, and for this episode we're going to attempt to install this 2021 Porsche Taycan wheel on a 2010 Porsche 997. Will it fit? Will we manage to get the airbag to work? Will we manage to get the multifunction to work? Stay tuned. This is the cockpit of our Porsche 997. We're currently using the Porsche 991.2 steering wheel in carbon fiber. If you haven't seen the install on this, here's a link right up here or in the description below. We're going to now attempt to fit this more modern Porsche Taycan wheel. Now, the sort of hurdles we have to come through is if it will fit into the hub. That's a very sort of deal breaker. Then we'll have the issues if this airbag will fit here or if we need a new one. That's going to be very expensive if we do so. Then at last but not least is the multifunction. If we manage to sort of adapt it to work. Now, I know for sure that this adapter is different, so we'll see. But since my car is a manual, I'm not really sort of tied into the multifunction. I could do without them. So just let's see if we could be able to do all that. Now, first things first is to remove the battery since we'll be dealing with the airbag. And just put this as a precaution. Okay, we popped out the airbag. The connectors at the back are exactly the same as they are on the Taycan wheel. So hopefully the airbag lines up. Okay, so we removed the airbag. Let's see if it fits on the Taycan wheel. Like I said, the connectors seem to match up. Let's have a look. Okay, yellow and brown. Yep. And does this connect too? Yep. Now I'm not gonna just stay popping those in, but they do go in. And the last hurdle, will this fit into the steering wheel? So let's just get this on the floor. Right way up. I've been playing around with it for 5 minutes, and although it seems like it is the same diameter, it's not going to fit. The pins that you see here do not align to the holes. So right now we are center, and they are not aligning for us. So if you're doing this upgrade, you gotta get a new airbag. You cannot use your old one. Now, fine, we need to buy this part. The good thing is that the wires are, I think, a bit straightforward swap onto the connector that we see up there. If we change the connector up here, let's see if the actual hub matches up. So we'll have to remove that steering wheel and see if this one slides in. Okay, so we've got my wheel out. That connector I know for sure won't fit from the photos. Completely different. So that has to be reworked, but let's see if it fits on the hub. Oh yes, and it does fit snugly. So it will fit actually on a 997. So that will fit on the 991 Macan, whatnot, on the hub. But you need to rework the connection over up here and get a dedicated airbag for this. So the wheel looks great, and I'm confident enough to reroute these airbag connections to this connector by buying the harness from eBay and repinning everything. I just don't feel like going through the hassle of getting the multifunction to work because the module is completely different on this one. Let's see how nice it looks. Doesn't look that bad. Quite like the floating things over here. Obviously this won't work, so that has to be deleted. I'm guessing if you can get a panel over here to cover all this, not to have multifunction, I guess just rerouting the airbag on that connector would make it work. So yeah, we can get a Taycan wheel to fit on a 997, but you need additional work to get to that plug over there and a dedicated airbag. So because of that reason, I'm stopping over here. I don't want to spend more money on this when I already have a nice steering wheel to begin with, which is very customizable to this car. So because of all that, I think this is going to end over here, but I hope this video is useful for those who have been wondering, does the Taycan, the 992 wheel, fit on a 997 or 991 at that case? But yeah, it does fit. The hub is exactly the same. I don't feel any issues right over there. And it's nice and grippy. It's very thick, nice leather. And thank you for watching. Take care.